So it's day 3. Just woke up. I would have liked to sleep for 1 more hour, but it ain't work out like that. So now I'm gonna just waste some time until like 11. Oh, it's 8 some o'clock. 8:20. I'm gonna waste some time until 11. Go back to the movies. Started writing yesterday. Got a little good idea or something. You feel me? I need to finish that. What the hell's going on, man? Where's my toothpaste? I've been working like crazy this morning. Everything ain't go right. Oh, shit, about to miss the turn. But almost done. Then I got another one tonight.
You have arrived at your destination on the right.
So I finished my shift like an hour ago. I went to get something to eat. Now I got about an hour and 30 minutes until I gotta go back to the next shift. And I really want to take a nap, but I don't know, man. I'm in the car, I'm in the middle of the day. How am I gonna take a nap? Shit, I don't know.
I belong in a dolphin.
7:44. Just got off. Long ass day, started at 8. Already didn't work 2 shifts, then made some money today. But really I'm like zero energized, got a little headache. So I'm finna go in here in this gym and take this good old shower. And hopefully that should make me feel better. And if it do, I don't know, I might need to get something to eat. Shit, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't even know what day it is. But I just woke up, had that headache last night, but that shit gone. Took that good old medicine, you feel me? Woke up, came to my best friend. It's called Dollar Tree. Got some, you see these right here? Oh yeah. Now I'm about to go to Starbucks, probably edit. Get this video out, you feel me? Tomorrow. Get this video out for tomorrow at what? 9? 8? Yeah, 8 a.m. But if you already watching this, that means the video already out, so it's like time traveling or something. I don't know. Whew.
Everybody gon' treat you different when you're on. I just hope when they thought they remember my name when I'm gone. Got my guys go see the snakes. Don't know how they kill out of my face. They wanna see me stacking my cake.
Just left the gym a while ago. I had a pretty good like breakthrough. I think it finally hit me, like I'm back in LA, living in LA, even though I don't got a place yet. I'm in very good spirits about this whole situation, which I knew I was gonna be, but it still hadn't hit me yet that I'm like really in LA. Maybe I need to go to the beach or something, Malibu, somewhere on the coast, just to be like, okay, yeah, I'm here for sure. But at the gym, had a good old pump. Now I'm here at, let's see if you can see, the Goodwill. I don't know why, really. I just need to waste some time while this traffic right here. Moving to LA, the life is wonderful, but the traffic is terrible. You just gotta take the good with the bad.
Like, Tony and him are gonna be gone with you? Oh, hey, you say you working with like Troy gonna be gone for 2 weeks?
Fully loaded down, working this shift. Easy money though. So this is fast forwarded like, I don't know, 4 hours. I'm not sure when the last time recorded was, but just worked Amazon, worked Postmates, couple of deliveries. Now I'm about to go back to the gym so I can shower this time. But I do. Once again, it's late as hell at night. Well, not as hell, but 1:54. About to hit this nighty-night sleep in the car. This like night number 4. But you know, who knows? Cause I ain't even counting no more. So today is a struggle. I'm not finna bullshit you. Started off rough. I'm in desperate need to go ahead and get me a hotel, but these hotel prices is goddamn ridiculous. Airbnb prices is not terrible, but they so fucking far away that I don't know if it's gonna be worth the drive and gas, cause then I'm gonna have to drive back, cause my goddamn job right now is in a city that's an hour away from the goddamn cheapest Airbnb. So I don't know what to do, but hopefully I'm about to take this pre-workout going here in this gym and get it in, and then hopefully my mood gonna change. But if not, yo, what it be? It's your boy Second Chat, but you already know I ain't done my intro in a long time, so I just felt like doing it. But just left the gym, went to Whopper Grill like always, picked up the food, but I caved in. Got me a hotel room for tonight. Was gonna get an Airbnb, but the hotel room was only a little bit more, and the Airbnbs was in somebody's house. I think I feel more comfortable just getting my own
your
shit.
destination will be on the left.
But that shit ended up to be $70. $70 a night. That's kind of ridiculous. But this living in the car got to me, so this is what I needed. Oh shit, I almost took the wrong turn. But yeah, I'll check in on y'all in a little bit. So this is obviously many hours later. I passed out for like 3 hours. But that's cool because I needed it. But now, even though I am homeless, I'm about to shave and tighten it up so I don't look homeless. Do I look like a new man or nah? But anyways, in all seriousness, it's time to go to work for a couple of hours. Probably until like 2 a.m. or something, since I took that nap. And then I need to wash clothes, but it's probably gonna be till tomorrow because I got that shift early and I'm on it. So I'll holler at y'all.